In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace your mass airflow sensor on a 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord. It's always a good idea to disconnect your battery before working with electrical components. To remove the wire harness, push down on the little tab and pull out. Using a Phillips head, you're going to remove the two bolts. Use a thick Phillips head to fit the bolt perfectly. This is the only one I had on the power drill, but I wouldn't use a power drill because I could also strip it. Now you could just pull out the mass airflow sensor.